1,400 liters freezer cooling unit. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right. Over a length of 22 3/4 inches. 22 3/4 inches applies to the left and right mounts. In the depth, we have 27 inches. Coming to the right side, we have the compressor. And connected is the temperature control, along with the starter components. Starter components will include the capacitor. Connected to the compressor will be the pipe that's connected to the main box, and the pipe is coated in this black hose. Also included will be the main fan and condenser, and on the front will be the thermocouple. Coming to the side of the filter, we have 11 inches in length by 10 3/4 inches in height. Right next to the filter will be the box, and right beneath will be the fan. The height of the box itself will include 14 inches tall. Coming to the bottom of the mount, between the fan is a weather strip. The measurements for the weather strip on the outside, we have 18 inches in length by 23 3/4 in height. This measurement applies for the outer weather strip that goes along the edge. And the measurements of the interior box, we have 15 inches in length by 19 3/4 inches in height. Coming to the radius of the fan, 8 7/16. Last but not least, this will have a 110/120 voltage plug. Coming to the top of the fan will be a sticker with the wire diagram along with the technical specifications for this cooling unit. Be sure to also check out our 1,400 liters freezer cooling unit system on our page. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.